Hello mga kakikoy ko, nasa work ako niyan. Actually, my break time, so I have to do this instead of eating or snacks. I have to do push up. All right, okay, let's go count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 lang. Hindi na kinaya ni Kikoy kasi mahirap yan. Incline push up. Bye-bye.